Next up, we have Rey Mysterio. Halloween Havoc, WCW Halloween Havoc. Which I actually was at Halloween Havoc in Vegas in 2000 and actually saw Rey Mysterio fight. Which is very cool. Looks kind of smaller, doesn't it? But that's cool, that bit on the back. Looks tiny, so that's going to fit. But we shall give it a go. Rey Mysterio, Halloween Havoc. Okay, here it is outside. Obviously, Rey Mysterio, Halloween Havoc. 1997. I went in 2000. Saw Rey Mysterio. Obviously not wearing this mask, but still very, very cool. I'll come out here and show you a bit more in detail. Very cool. Got a popper there. So cool. I did try it on, but it's super small and my face is all squished in it and it looks kind of goofy. But it is what it is. Very cool indeed. Super amazing fight. Eddie Guerrero, Rey Mysterio, 1997. WCW Halloween Havoc. Boom. So there you go. My head's way too big. I won't even do out the pop, I won't do up, almost. But there it is. Just so you can see it on. But yeah, super tight, plus I don't really want to stretch it out. Okay guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. There will be more masks. And yeah, this hat we sell on our web store. Lost Carton, I'll put a link in the description. Shout out Lucha Libre Superstore, Chi-Town. And yeah, see you later.